Hello and welcome to another How to Draw video. In today's video we're going to be doing a Halloween jack-o'-lantern. Ooh, scary. Alrighty, so before we get started we're going to need some drawing materials. Markers to do drawing, yep. Paper to do drawing on. And something to colour in with.
We can use markers.
Yeah, we can use markers, colouring pencils,
paint, oil
pastels, crayons, whatever you like. Awesome. Alright, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun, but are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we've got our paper here and we're going to draw our jack-o'-lantern. It's going to be this is a nice, easy drawing to do. So when we start our jack-o'-lantern, we're going to do kind of a big oval in the middle, but on the sides it's going to be a little bit flat, so you'll see. So I'll just make a start up here. So we go carry it around down like this, and around there like that. And we'll keep going along the other side, up there, and around and back to start. There we go. So nice big oval. You can see that on the sides, it's a little bit squashed flat because pumpkins aren't exactly round, a little bit oval shape. There you go. That is looking really good. Awesome. Now, the next thing we're going to do on top of the pumpkin is we're going to have a little stalk, because that's where when they harvest it from the farm, that's where they cut it off. So there's a little, normally green stalk. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start off with a little oval like that. Yeah. Awesome. And then I'm going to create two lines. It's going to be a little bit curved. It's going to go from the edge of this circle and it's going to go down here like that. And do another one on the other side. So that's that little stumpy stalk bit that sits on top of the pumpkin. Now next we are going to draw a face on there. So this has been carved out of the pumpkin. So we're going to do some eyes. So your eyes can do all sorts of shapes. You can make it circle or oval. I think for this one we're going to make them triangles. I think that will be interesting. So we draw two little triangles here, like that. So one on that side. There we go. And then we can do another one on the other side as well, about the same size. Down there like that. Yep. Okay. And now, because the pumpkin has been carved, we're going to draw another little line which is parallel to this line here, like this. So you can see a bit of the edge or the thickness of the pumpkin. That's right. And then we'll do the same on the other side as well. And that gives it a bit more depth. It makes the picture look a bit three-dimensional.
Well?
All right. Now, I think we're going to give him a mouth. And I think a big smiley mouth. He's I think a happy pumpkin. Yes. So I think to make him look cute, what I'll do first is I'll draw a little tooth. So just about here, just not in the middle, but just a little bit to the left, we're going to kind of draw a square, but it's going to be an open shape. Like that. So that's his tooth there. And next thing that we're going to do is a big smiley line there. So we're going to start in here, so kind of line up with the corner of his eye, and it's going to join his tooth, but we're not going to carry the line there, we're just going to stop there. And then on the other side, we carry the line up there like that as well. Yeah, cool. And then on the side here, just like what we did with the eye, we're going to put a little bit of a line here, just to give it some depth and thickness. So it looks like the mouth or the tooth has been carved out of the pumpkin. Great. And then the last little bit, just to close off the mouth, we're going to do a big, like a U shape. Yeah, that's right. And because he's a big, happy, smiley pumpkin, we're going to make it like that. There we go. Yeah. And then again, we're going to add a bit of depth. We're going to add another line, which is going to run along the same line as this one here. And just try and keep it the same width all the way up there. There we go.
Now it's time to color.
That's right, now it's time to colour in. So we're going to fast forward this part. You may want to pause it, but we'll see you back very soon. Alrighty, we're back and we've finished colouring it in, and I think they're looking really amazing. You happy with those? Awesome. So you can see I've coloured mine in. I've added some more details to it as well, so you can get a bit more of the shape and the different lines of the pumpkin, so you can use different colours. Natasha's done the same as well. You've added another pumpkin in there, so that's really cool. You can add a whole field of pumpkins or jack-o'-lanterns in there. You put in the sky as well and the sun, so it looks like they're sitting in the garden. So great job. Well, we hope you had lots of fun, and remember, it's okay if your drawing looks a little different because you would add your own special touches to it. But the most important thing is
To practice.
to practice, yes, but also more important, it's to have fun. Yes. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, please make sure to like and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to see your creations and also hear your suggestions for our next video. See you next time.